Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create your new Google account. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to head to the google.com, or you can just go here to Gmail or whatever you like. So I'm just going to type Google and it will take me to Drive. So let's just go directly to Gmail so we can create a new account. So basically, I'm just going to add more accounts, add another account, and here I will just click use another account since I have already one. And here you will need just to create account. So there is the business accounts or personal use. So I'm just going to type personal one. You need just to type first name, uh, first, last, next, basic information, your birthday, whatever you like, gender, you can just put whatever you like. Next, you can start creating your new Gmail. So for example, new uh, dash Gmail and continue. So let's just have it like that and new Gmail new and let's just continue new until you find a unique mail and then you will need just to click usernames and let's try anything new, for example username some 123 and this username is already taken, some user that we can add Gmail and let's click on next because the Gmail shouldn't be Gmail and we try this one and we will accept it. Then you create a strong password, create any password, you confirm the same password, and basically let's just have like that and then let's click on next and you can add some ad recovery, you skip, you add a phone number, you skip, and you will need just to review your accounts, etc. You click next and you will have your own Gmail that has been created. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.